to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down to fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. So in this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys part 2 of my spring cleaning. So in this part, I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning out my cabinets in my kitchen, as well as the pantry. And we did get a new fridge, so I brought some organization bins to help me organize this refrigerator. I picked up these items from at home, so I'm just giving you guys a little mini haul right here. But first, I'm just going to be bringing in the groceries because the refrigerator was pretty much bare, and I definitely needed to go grocery shopping.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes.
So if you guys haven't done so already, drop down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up to see more videos just like this, and leave me a comment down below. I've been noticing that I haven't been getting that much interaction down in the comment section. So you guys, I love talking and chatting with you all, so please drop down and leave me a comment down below. So like I said, I was going to be organizing the refrigerator, so I'm starting here, just taking things out of the boxes and placing them into this organization tubes. So you guys, make sure you watch this video all the way in its entirety. Watch it all the way to the end. It really helps my channel a whole lot, and I really appreciate it, you guys.
Shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and
I picked up these little juice containers. I don't know if they're juice containers or water containers or what, but I decided to just use them to pour my orange juice inside of them. I just like the aesthetics of it, and it just looked pretty to me, and I just like the overall look of these little containers.
You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice.
Before I went to the at-home store, I actually stopped by Ross first to see what type of organization containers they had, because I know Ross is a little bit more affordable than at-home. And this is where I had got the egg containers from. I actually got that from Ross, but they didn't have a huge selection, so that's why I got majority of my organization bins from at home.
Like we know each other, but sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. So tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell.
And these Tupperware bowls I actually picked up from Sam's Club. It was a 20-pack for $19.99, and I really feel like it was time for me to change out my plastic Tupperware bowls. So I really need to stop by Sam's Club and see if they still have these in stock, because they really are good and heavy duty, and I like the seal that the top has on them. So at the time that I'm recording this video, we have had the refrigerator for a couple of days. So there was no need for me to clean or tidy anything up. I just was kind of reorganizing, rearranging the side drawers right here just to give it a little bit more organized look.
We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I...
Now we're going to be moving on to my pantry, and I do have a pantry organization video up on my channel. I recorded back in the summer of last year, so this time I'm just have to revamp it and go back in and declutter it and reorganize it some more, because over the last couple of months it has kind of gotten back junky and kind of clutter again. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me and just watch me declutter and clean out my pantry.
Too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
So if you guys heard when I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I've been noticing that I haven't been having a lot of engagement down in the comment section below, well, I'm going to take this time to give you guys a giveaway. And all you have to do is just leave me a comment down below, be subscribed to my channel, and I'm going to be offering you guys a $30 Amazon gift card. So if you like to be entered into the giveaway, make sure you leave me a comment down below and be subscribed to this to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break.
here going to be moving on to my cabinets, and I'm going to be decluttering all of these cabinets. This is a very small kitchen, so I don't have that much cabinet space. So I did have to work with what I have, and so I did do a lot of rearranging and decluttering because, like I said, it's a small kitchen with not a lot of cabinet space. So yeah, just keep watching, you guys.
For me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me,
I forgot to mention to you guys that I also bought some spice jars to organize my spices and my seasoning, and this is the cabinet that I use to keep my spices in. So I didn't record any footage of me actually emptying the containers into the new spice jars, but I am going to show you guys the ending result, and I just love the overall look and how it just looks way more organized and more pleasing to the eye, and that is just what I was aiming for, and I'm very satisfied.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you,
Purchased these spice jars from Amazon. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below just in case you're interested in them.
Feel it too. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work.
I'm just showing you guys some close-up footage of how dirty my cabinets really are, and here's a close-up of Genesis. So I'm just going to be using some hot soapy water and some pine sol to clean and wipe down my cabinets and the doors and the drawers and the handles and everything. And I like to do this every so often. This is just not something that I do for spring cleaning. I like to kind of keep the cabinets and the drawers wiped down, maybe like on a weekly, bi-weekly basis anyway.
Go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along.
So you guys, the song that you guys are listening to while I'm playing this part in the video, it really goes along to what I was doing. I was working my body. I was working my muscles, cleaning these cabinets, because this style of cabinet is very, very difficult to keep clean with all of these lines and these ridges. It just, I see why a lot of people go with the shaker style cabinets, because they are so much easier to clean and wipe down. But yeah, I just thought that was pretty funny that I'll just add the little comment in this video. Y'all must thought I was playing when I said that Genesis is glued to my hip. This girl went and got her a chair so that she could stand next to me while I was in here cleaning the upper part of these cabinets. So if in the corner over here, you guys, y'all don't see her, but she had her own little towel and she was attempting to wipe the countertops down. Like, she is definitely my little helper. So next I'm going to be moving on to where my Keurig and this air fryer sits at. And you guys, I did not know it was this dirty behind here. Like, I guess I need to pull this out more often because this was like disgusting. And yeah, I definitely needed to tackle this area very, very bad.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat.
So if you guys are still watching to this point in the video, I thank you so very much. If you haven't done so already, leave me a comment down below so you can be entered into this Amazon giveaway. And I also have some more spring cleaning to get done. I would really like to tackle my grout here in the kitchen because it just looks so dingy and so old. So I've just been researching some tips and some tricks on how to clean my grout inside my kitchen. So that will be hopefully coming up in my next couple of videos. But like I said, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to